Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking by Natasha. Today I want to share with you an amazing product that actually I recently discovered. This is a slow juicer from Nebula. In this video I'm going to be showing you its functionality, what it can do, what type of juices, what does it come with, and my honest thoughts about this product. So let's get started. So first of all, this juicer comes in 3 different colors, which is black, red and silver, and as well with 2 different plugs, which is for UK and EU. And as well it comes with these 3 additions. So first of all, it does come with this leaflet, which is an explanation or actually an instruction what to do before using it, which is very useful. For example, me, before using any product, I'm all the time looking for these instructions just to make sure that I'm using it correctly. It does come with a leaflet with different types of juices, so you have an option here exactly the quantities that you have to put. So for example, we have the detox, we have the energy, you have the immunity, and as well the digestion. So these 4 compartments. As well, it does come with a very interesting and very solid wise instruction manual in different languages. So it's English, French, Dutch, Spanish and Italian languages. Now, 2 interesting facts about this juicer is that it does come with a 5-year warranty for the motor and a 2-year warranty for the parts. You can find these juicers on the official website, which I'm going to link down below, and as well I do believe that they have it on Amazon as well. Now, design wise and functionality wise. Design wise, this juicer is very minimalistic. It can fit in any small kitchen, and as well it does look good. Now with the parts that it comes with. So first of all the parts are BPA free, which I like a lot about this juicer. It does come with 2 types of sieves, which is very important for the slow juicing. So we have the very fine sieve and we have the larger sieve right here. We have as well a very interesting brush to clean the hard accessible places, and as well for the sieve right here, which is smoother a little bit. We have the actually the mixing device, for the juice, to make sure that all the juice is all the time mixed. We have 2 jugs. One is for the juice and one is for the pulp. We have the actual motor right here. This is the top part where the fruits go, and here we have the actual masticator, and this is the recipient where the juice goes before going into the container for the juice. And as well it does come with this tool, just to push the fruits inside. One thing to mention, actually another thing to mention about this juicer is that has an extra wide chute. So when I'm saying extra wide, you can put large apples, oranges inside, even grapefruits, and it's going to juice them properly, but I'm going to show you in a second. So let's start with the assembly. So first of all, we have to start with this mixer right here and with the sieve. So take your sieve and just place it inside the mixer just like this and rotate it until it will not go inside. So normally you would hear a click. So if you are rotating just like this, it has to be rotating smoothly without any trouble. And second of all, what you have to do, this is the compartment where actually juice goes from the masticator inside and before reaching the container for the juicer. So here we have a silicone barrier. So make sure that you are closing this silicone barrier. Yeah, and after that, what you have to do, the sieve with the mixer, place it with this arrow into this arrow right here. So you'll see 2 arrows. So you have to match the arrows and just put it inside, just like this. So basically, after you put these arrows matching, you make sure that your sieve and the mixer does not move left or right inside the container. Now the next step is to put the actual masticator inside. So you hold firmly with your hand and just rotate it. It goes quite easy. After you finish to put the masticator, you have to take the top part and just to make sure that you have this open and close right here, and you have the arrows. So put the open on top of the arrow, yeah, so you can see that it goes, and just make sure that to close it. Yeah. Now to put this part on the actual juicer, you have here two indicators, and you have here like two areas that they have to go. So you just make sure that you are matching them. So as soon as you just push slightly, it goes inside. So if you are going to move the container, it doesn't have to move. This is when you will know that it's working. So another thing about this blender, so if you assemble something wrongly, it will not start. So to check if everything is alright, just press the start button and it will start working. Now the next step is just to put your containers right here. So we have a bigger container for the pulp, and we have a smaller container which is here we have the measurements in ounces and in milliliters as well. What I like about these containers, that they are not transparent, completely transparent, because for the juices most of the time, you know, they leave this tint. So you can place the fruits into compartments. Here you have this, which is like extra wide chute, and you can put here fruits, or you can put right here where normally you would use this tool, you know, to put the fruits inside. So what I'm going to do, I have different type of fruits here. I'm going to start with the pineapple. Okay, I'm just going to place right into this one. So from a quarter of the pineapple, I got like 300 mils of juice. So this is how I know that actually this juicer is good, as soon as it gets this amount of juice inside. What I'm going to show you now, how I'm putting like the whole apples. You see, it's a whole apple just right here. And the juicer, it takes by itself. I don't even have to do anything. It's just masticating with the motor. So it has a very, very powerful motor as well. And you can see how my juice is coming out of one apple. Here as well I can put, I don't know, 2 kiwis, and I can fit in like a very large orange. I have some grapefruit here as well, which I cut it in half, but honestly it would fit, you know, by itself. I want to show you the actual pulp. Just look how dry it is. So literally there is not any juice. In just 3 minutes I have made 1 liter and probably 200 or 300 mils of juice. So yeah, I left this juicer on purpose on, just for you to hear the noise. So actually it's very, very quiet. Okay, and right here, basically for 1 liter and 300 mils of juice, I used a quarter of a pineapple, 3 apples, 1 orange, 1 grapefruit, and most probably like 2 kiwis and 1 more small apple. So from these fruits only, I have managed to make this quantity of juice, which is very, very amazing. Second of all, what I want to show you is this pulp right here. So just look how much pulp it gave me from 1 liter and 300 mils of juice. So just this pulp right here, which is very, very dry, by the way. And one more thing what I want to mention about this juicer is that it has the reverse function as well. So by pressing this button right here, I'm not really using it, but it's a very good thing, you know, when something is stuck, or just to make sure that everything goes through this juicer. Now let's go and show you how easy it's actually to clean it. If you're looking for a good quality press cold juicer, this Nebula NB400 model is the perfect option. I'm saying it because I'm using it, I'm extremely satisfied with it, and I do highly recommend it. So whoever enjoys a glass of juice, just make sure to purchase this one in the link down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.